Here's first Iraqi Bank mobile app. So just tap get and then double click to install. You'll be able to install the app. Yeah, so that's what it is. There are 500 ratings. First Iraqi Bank is Iraq's first ever completely mobile bank. It's a completely digital onboarding process, fully compliant with KYC guidelines and legal requirements. You can open a bank account in under 5 minutes and enjoy a wide range of services provided by the app. All you need is your ID card or passport. Deposit. Quickly and conveniently deposit your cash using a wide network of merchants all around Iraq. Withdrawal, quick pay, money conversion, money transfers, balance and transactions, service store, money boxes, find branches and stores, spending limit, cash delivery. So yeah, all of that, you just have it there. And then that's what it is. And then yeah, you can just tap sign up and then you just enter a mobile number. It's not possible to use US or Canada phone number. As you can see, this is just Iraqi code plus 964, and then from there you can just proceed. I don't know what English does, so it seems not a lot, but you just need to enter your Iraqi phone number. Then you should be able to receive a confirmation SMS from there.